Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring power and cleanliness. Charge both AirPods to over 50% and the case above 20%. Once done, inspect and clear the speaker mesh gently with a soft, dry brush. Earwax mute sound. Next, on your phone or Mac, turn Bluetooth off, then on, and forget the AirPods from Bluetooth settings. This forces a fresh pairing. Press and hold the case setup button until the status light flashes amber then white. That resets firmware state before reconnecting. You now perform a deep reset to clear persistent settings. Hold the case setup button for 15 seconds or more until the light flashes white. After repairing, go into accessibility and audio settings to check balance and mono output. Make sure balance is centered. Play a stereo test track and listen. Then swap the AirPods between ears to confirm whether low volume follows a specific bud or ear. This isolates hardware from software, so you know which path to take next. You finish by doing these final fixes. Clean the charging contacts on both the AirPod and case, then reseat each bud to ensure proper charge and firmware sync. Make sure your phone or Mac has the latest OS and the AirPods received any firmware updates. Also try pairing with a second device to confirm the issue is not device-specific. If one side remains low after these steps, contact Apple support or request a replacement. Warranty often covers faulty drivers or hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.